National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benton County in West Tennessee, northeastern Carroll County in West Tennessee, eastern Henry County in West Tennessee, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Camden, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, Emergency Management. At 6:20 p.m., Emergency Management reported half-dollar-sized hail near Camden. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Camden, Paris Landing State Park, New Jacksonville, Brewston, Vale, Springville, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Hagler Ridge, Manlyville, Old Springville, Spring Creek, Cruise Store, Ephesus, Nathan Bedford Forest State Park, and Big Sandy Unit Tennessee National Wildlife Refuge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.